Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Era Invitation, and please subscribe the channel if you are new in my YouTube channel. And uh, that's I have a issue in how to use inner join in update statement. Okay, let's start the query. How to use inner join in update statement? I have two tables. First users and second employee. I want to update employee table and I want to update user ID from the user table. Okay, let's start with employee E and inner join users u on u uname and e.empcode is same. Okay, we have totally 15 rows and I'm going to write update statement update e set e dot user id equal u dot id. Execute this statement. Okay guys, this statement is this query is executed successfully. Now select the employee. Okay, user id is updated successfully. Now you can join with users by user id. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.